Hi everyone. I know that some of you have been having issues hearing today's video. I'm not sure what happened. I'm recording this from my computer, and so normally that's not an issue. Please let me know if you notice it happen again with any of my future videos. All right, I'm going to read through the French numbers and months. Please follow along. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, and the months, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. All right, I would still recommend you guys go back and watch today's video because I do mention several other things as well that I want you guys to make note of. But again, please let me know if you have an issue with the videos in the future. Fingers crossed, it's not a problem.